rest of the ponies.
Hello, this is Prime Cigars, and today we're going to be reviewing the Cuisinart vertical Belgian waffle maker. The waffle maker has a fill spout, so it never leaks out, and it has 5 settings for from light to golden brown on your waffles. Alright, so now we will be unboxing it. Alright, so right here we have the instructions and recipe booklet. Shows recipes right here. Then we have some more instructions about that. Alright, so now we will be opening up the waffle maker itself. Alright. Let's see, we got this little cup here with a power cable. And here's the filling spout. There's a little sign right here. Alright, and then you open it up using this thing right here. So it's like a hinge right here. You click to open it, and you just close it back up by pushing it. So you use this cup here. We put the batter in the cup to put in the spout right here.